I know you want pop, you want rock and roll.
You want it?
This year's remix
Got some phonics.
I got hot, I got
rockin'
Electronic.
beats.
I got
Hip-hop music with the future flow.
Come on, even if the sky is falling down.
Welcome to Telstra. My name is Christina. How may I assist you?
Where is my phone?
Sir, I need you to calm down, for I am glad to search for your online order. Are you expecting a delivery?
Yes, I need a phone today. That's my wife's present for her birthday.
I understand how important it is, so let me get started by checking the status of your order. Do you have your order reference number?
It's 846236.
I'll check where your phone is. By the way, I need you to verify your name and email address for its security. I got great news. It's already on board and can arrive anytime now.
Oh, really? That's wonderful. Hold on a second. There's somebody at the door. Buddy, your phone is here. Just got delivered.
Welcome to
Thank you so much. I forgot to get back at you. Put me through to the survey and I will be so happy to answer it for you.
Okay, with pleasure.
I know you want pop, you want rock and
You
roll.
want it?
This year's remix
Got some phonics.
I got hot, I got
rockin'
Electronic.
beats.
I got
Hip-hop music with the future flow.
Come on, even if the sky is falling down.